Good morning. Today we are going to learn chapter 2 polynomials. The polynomial chapter we have studied detailed in class 9. First let us recall whatever we have learned in the class 9, then we will move further here. Now see here, the topic is polynomial. Poly means many. Nomial means term. So the meaning of this polynomial is many terms. Now see here, polynomial is an algebraic expression which consists of variable, coefficients, constants and exponents. Now see here, this many term is a combination of variable, coefficient, constant and exponents. All these things we have studied in class 9 itself. Now let us see an example for the polynomial 5x square plus 2x plus 7. This is an example for polynomial. Now see here, I have the 5x square plus 2x plus 7 is there. Now this 5x square, this is fully of one term. 2x is the another term. Now this 7 is another term. So I have here 3 terms there. Now in this, the first term is a combination of the number and as well as a alphabet. That is, here it is a variable. This alphabet we will call it as a variable here. This variable, before that if we have number, then that is called as coefficient. So 5x square plus 2x plus 7. Here in this expression the variable is x here. The variable is x. Now coefficient of x square. Coefficient means the number which is before that x square, that is 5 here. Now coefficient of x. X means before that x the number is 2 here. So the coefficient of x square is 5 and coefficient of x is 2 here. Now the last term without any variable it is there, that term is a constant here. Now exponent. Exponent means what we have at the power here, that will be the exponent, that is 2 here. Now see the next example. The next example is 3x square y minus 5y plus 3z plus 8 here. Now here this is of only one variable I have here, that variable is x, but here I have x variable is there, y variable is there, z variable is there. So I have 3 variables here. So this expression is a combination of 3 variables. Therefore the variables are x, y and z. Now see here, we have tried the coefficient of x square. Now what is the coefficient of x square in this? Here do we have a x square term? See, we cannot say this 3x square y as a term for x square. It is a term of x square y. If they are asking for what is the coefficient of x square y means, then we can say that the coefficient is 3. See, x square y coefficient is 3. We don't have separate x square term here. Therefore, coefficient of x square is not there. Therefore, it is 0 here. Now, what is the coefficient of y means? See, before that 5 is there. Along with that sign we have to take. So, that is minus 5 here. Now, z, along with that z we have 3 here. With the 3, what is the sign here? Plus sign is there. So we have to take along with the sign, that is plus 3 here. Now constant term, the last term is 8. Now this is about variable, coefficient, constant and the exponents. The next is degree of the polynomial. Degree means the highest power of the variable in this polynomial. Highest power among these terms, which is having the highest power, that we have to take here. Now see here, this is x having the power 1. Here also I can say that it is of x power 0. X power 0 will become 1 here. So no need to write as x power 0. Simply we can write 7 also. This is x power 0. Here it is x power 1 and here it is x square. So the highest value is at the place of 3x square here. So this is the degree of this polynomial. So the degree of the polynomial is 2 here. Now similarly in this we have to check that which is having the highest power. Variable we have to see. We should not see the number here 4, 3, 5, 8. That number we should not see. We have to see only the variable. In that variable which is having the highest number, that we have to write, that is the degree, that is 3 here. So this is of third order degree here, this is of second order degree here. Now see here, if this polynomial have only one term, that is single term 5x, then that term, the name of that term is called as monomial. Mono means one, nomial means term, so one term. Monomial means one term, only one term, that 5x. These are the examples given here. Now binomial, bi means two, nomial means term, so binomial means two terms. See here 4x plus 3, 4x one term plus 3 is the another term, 5y is single term, 7 is the next term, x is one term, minus 8 is the next term. So we have two terms here, so it is binomial. Now trinomial, tri means 3, nomial means terms, so 3 terms are there. So 3x square plus 4x plus 2, 9y square plus 5x plus 3. So 3 terms are there here. With respect to terms, the names are of monomial, binomial and trinomial. Now with respect to the degree, what are the types of polynomial, that we are going to see here. First is linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. We will study detailed about these types of polynomial. Linear polynomial, linear means degree is 1 here. I have studied linear equation in 2 variable, linear equation in 1 variable, all these things we have studied in class 9. So linear means the degree is 1. See here, variable have the highest degree as 1 here. See, one constant term is there and only one term having variable term is here. That too, that variable is having the degree 1 here. So ax plus b, this is the only two terms here. Now the degree of this polynomial is 1 here. Example, let us take the example. See here, 2x minus 3. This is having the variable as x and the highest degree is 1. Y plus root 3. So this is of variable y and here degree is 1. X minus 5 by 2. This is of variable x, degree is 1. The next one is quadratic polynomial. Now quadratic polynomial general format is ax square plus bx plus c. This is a general form of the quadratic polynomial. See here, quadratic. Now see here, quadratic means the degree is 2. Highest degree, if it is 2, then it is called as a quadratic polynomial. Polynomial with the degree 2 here. Now let us see the examples. 2x square plus 3x minus 4. So here highest degree is 2. Now x square minus 5. Y square. Only single term is there. No problem. This is monomial. But when considering the degree of this term, it is of power 2 there. Therefore, it is a quadratic polynomial only. Now the next one is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial general format is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. See here, this is a general format here. Now the degree of this is 3. Now let us see the example. 3x cube minus 5x square plus 4x minus 1 here. Now among these terms, which variable is having the highest power means this is the term. 3x cube. This highest power is 3. Therefore, this is a cubic polynomial. Now, see here, y cube minus y square is there. Two terms are there. Binomial terms are there. But see the power of the term, that is of 3 here. Therefore, we can say that the degree of this polynomial is 3. It is a cubic polynomial.